loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique if you are new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from Costco. I did one of these a few months ago and you guys absolutely loved it. So I thought since this was the first time I went to Costco in like 3 months, like before coronavirus, that I would share with you guys what I got to like restock the house. I am going to go quickly because it was a little bit longer of a drive and then I had to drop off my mom. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what I got from Costco. Yay! I love a good Costco haul. Okay. Alright, starting off with the refrigerated food that needs to be put away like ASAP. I'm just no particular order, just going to share with you guys what I got. I like to get these Chinese style salad kits. It doesn't come with lettuce, so I just buy romaine and chop it up. And then we have nice little salad kits, perfect for like lunch or like a really quick dinner. But yeah, I love keeping salad kits on hand because it just makes it easier in my opinion. And then I also like to get these quinoa salads because I like to do it over chicken, like I'll just grill chicken and then just keep it in the fridge for lunch. And this quinoa salad is perfect and quick. Let me zoom you guys in just a touch. All right, next, I love to get my eggs there because it's just a lot more affordable. And then I also grabbed some ham. I love to get these ham steaks for like omelets or for like quiches or things like that. I just like a little bit heartier of meat. And then I grabbed this lunch meat for sandwiches because again, it's actually carved off the ham, no nitrates, no preservatives. It's just really great quality. So that's that. There's my boyfriend. Look what I got you. These are adult Lunchables. Salami and cheese. What else did I get? Some asparagus, bananas. I love getting these Adele chicken meatballs as well. I think this is, oh, just chicken. Perfect. Oh, teriyaki pineapple.
Hello.
So, huh?
Hello.
Were you being Adele?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, babe, I got you prosciutto.
Ooh.
And bacon.
Oh my gosh.
We needed a really good stock up of just good basics to keep in the house. We were running low. Oh, these are kind of cool. You actually might like these, babe. These are Parmesan cheese wraps. So you grill them like a tortilla, and it's a good replacement for somebody who's not supposed to be eating gluten like me. But for somebody who loves cheese like Sawyer, you can wrap it, roll it, crisp it, melt it. How cool is that?
I'll try it.
So these are new. I've never tried these, but very curious. Costco fine.
Cheese on it. Thank you.
Yep.
I love you.
I love you. And then something that's really cool of having my mom live really close is we split big Costco items that we never eat quickly. So like these bags of cheese are well priced, but you never go through a bag of cheese as fast as you would think. So we split the bag and it ends up being even better price for both of us. And you don't have to worry about it going bad or forgetting it in the freezer or anything like that. So like this shredded Mexican cheese as well. And then we have 2 prepared meal items in here. Now this is a new one. I have never tried this before. This is a turkey spinach lasagna. I like turkey meat personally. It's a little bit more lean. So I'm excited to try this. This will be new to my Costco finds, so I'll let you guys know what I think. But excited to try that. And then I've told you guys about this last Costco haul. One of my favorite things to get and like a staple in our house, it's a very easy meal, are these stuffed bell peppers. I love checking out the prepared section because especially like on a night I don't feel like cooking or running out of time where I don't have time to prepare a full meal, having these prepared meals that I can just like throw in really quick and just be done is awesome. So stuffed bell peppers should definitely be on your list. I've even bought a few at a time and put them in the freezer and pull them out when I need. So good, easy, and healthy, and really yummy. So I'm gonna put this all away so I have more room. Be right back. All right, it got really hot, so I took off my long shirt. This is the organic avocado ranch chopped kit. And I just thought this would be perfect for like when I make burgers, just have this as a side, or just grill it with chicken for lunch, just as an option to mix it up. And then something really cool is they make homemade sweet rolls there. and we love like the Hawaiian King sweet rolls. So I thought we would try Costco's version. And then this is something that's new. I've never tried this. This is the Chosen Foods lemon garlic dressing and marinade. And I thought this would just be good on veggies or as like on a salad. Honestly, lemon garlic, you can never go wrong. So a lot of things I can do with this, like marinate chicken. So excited to try this as well. And then also I like to grab coffee creamer there. We actually normally like just the hazelnut. My dog's honking. So sometimes they have like all three being hazelnut, but this time it was French vanilla, so I grabbed it anyway. I also grabbed him feta cheese. He liked feta crumbles. And then I've seen this, so many people talk about this. They have it at Trader Joe's, and I like love chipotle sauce. And so this is it's called bitchin' sauce. It's the organic almond dip. And like I said, I love chipotle, so I already know this will be a hit in the house. So yeah, can't wait to try this. And then I grabbed some more butter. I mentioned this in my last one. We definitely needed more. I literally am out. I grabbed some salsa, and then I'm really excited about this for quick lunches for Sawyer. This is a tagliatelle grilled white chicken and portobello mushroom sauce pasta. Now this is like quick meals. Apparently it only takes like 10 minutes to make. I love having stuff like this in the house for Sawyer because a lot of the times he eats a lot more meals throughout the day. He's always hungry. So having items like this, like it's quick food, but it's good food, really excited about. So I'll let you guys, hey. So I'll let you guys know how this is. Okay, now I'm gonna put this away real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're getting to the last little bits here. I guess we should do, we'll do what's in front of me. I'm getting kind of out of order. All the cold stuff should be done. I have freezer and some random items. Something random is this silver tray, and you're probably wondering what the heck is this? Well, it actually came in a pack of 2, and I split it with my mom, but it's meant for the grill. So it's a cool, like, sauteing pan for the grill. And so this will be perfect for like veggies or asparagus or things like that to use on the grill so that way nothing falls through. I've been wanting one and I wanted to try it, so we got them. For a snack, I got some tortilla chips for Sawyer, and then I grabbed these Simple Mills almond flour crackers, and they're like sea salt. I love that they're gluten-free. Whenever I find gluten-free snacks, I try to grab them. I am supposed to be 100% gluten-free, but it is really, really hard. I don't have celiac, it's just for my digestion. So when I find good snacks, I get them. So that's these. All right, then for frozen food, I grabbed some more DiGiorno pepperoni pizzas for Sawyer, and then some cauliflower crust roasted veggie pizza for me. It's like his and her pizza, super cute. I haven't had these in so long. These are my favorite turkey burgers. They haven't had them at our Costco, but they're back. I personally love turkey burgers better than normal burgers, so I'm glad these are back because I've missed them. Oh yeah. Okay, these are the items that I actually split with my mom because I can never eat them fast enough, which is why they look like they're half gone. I love getting these Aussie bites. They're just really good little snacks, and they're really healthy and full of all different kinds of seeds like rolled oats, dried apricots, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, honey, coconut, and all that jazz. Some bell peppers for when we do tacos or fajitas, and then I grabbed some butter lettuce. And then, the thing I grabbed, which super excited about, are some new pillows. I love grabbing the pillows there because first of all, they're really affordable, and second of all, I like to switch out my pillows quite frequently, especially with like guests and everything like that. It's just nice to rotate them out so I don't feel guilty when I have to get new pillows because these are affordable. It's like a feather and down pillow, and it's one of their like newer brands, so I'm gonna try it out. I've tried out all their other pillows, so we'll see how I like these. But yeah, I think that's it. Honestly, I had so many things on my list and I forgot my list in the car, so I kind of just went off of memory. So I hope I grabbed everything, but honestly, it feels pretty safe there now. Everyone had on their masks, everyone was respecting space, so I don't feel as intimidated to go and hit Costco when I need it. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump in here to end this video. I know I look different. This is a different day, but somehow the clip did not record of my little outro from my Costco haul, so here it is. Well, loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this Costco haul. I have so much fun doing these and sharing with you guys what I got. But now I want to know if you guys have any great Costco finds. Please let me know down in the comments below what you guys recommend from Costco so I can add it to my list. But other than that, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ollie says bye too.